Hello, and welcome to the Humboldt County Library's Unlock Your Library series, where you can get answers to your library questions. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Zip Book and Interlibrary Loan programs. In the course of this video, we're going to talk about both programs, the process of both programs and how they're different and how they're the same, how to use the programs, and some of the limitations that come with these two programs. Interlibrary loan programs are both programs that have been created to help connect the library or help connect the patron to a book that the library currently does not have in their collection. So we have a lot of books, but sometimes we don't have the specific one we're looking for, and we like to try everything we can to get you connected to your book. So with these two programs, we're usually pretty successful in getting a patron a book that they're looking for that we currently don't own. The first program I'm going to talk about is our Zip Book program. This is a grant program through the California State Library. It was started in 2011, and the Humboldt County Library was actually one of the first libraries to use it. And it helps provide library users with speedy access to books that are not available with their local libraries. For a Zip Book qualification, you must have a full access library account. So if you had an Express card or an e-card, you would not be eligible for this program. But you can easily upgrade to a full account if you just verify your address, and we can get you set up with that. The book cannot be in our library collection at any branch, but if different versions are okay. So say we've got it in regular type, but you're looking for a large type version, or you're looking for it in Spanish, we can order it through the Zip Book program. You're limited to one Zip Book per calendar month. The book has to be out for at least a year. It has to be under $35 for print books, or if you're going to order a CD audiobook, it has to be under $70. And it cannot be a current New York Times bestseller. So what is the Zip Book program? If there's a book that you discover we do not have that you would like, you order a Zip Book at the library, and we'll go through how to do that in just a second. We then at the library order it, and it's delivered to your house like an Amazon delivery. So straight to your you then read the book, and when you're done with it, you return it to the library, and we add it to our collection so then others can enjoy it. It's a really great way for us to build our collection by using patron recommendations and patron feedback to make sure that the collection we're building is what our community is looking for. Our second program is the Interlibrary Loan program. This is a service that connects libraries around the world, including university and research libraries, where we can lend books to each other. It allows patrons to check out books from libraries outside of our area. So if there's something that is specific to a region of the United States, we can still get that book for you. There's been some form of interlibrary loan since the 1800s. Libraries have always been lending books to each other, and then there was a more formalized program created in the 20th century. And we do not charge for interlibrary loans. Some libraries do charge to cover the cost of shipping and things like that. We don't charge any fees for interlibrary loans. So just like the Zip Book program, you must have a full access library account. So again, Express accounts and e-accounts would not qualify. Unlike the Zip Book program where you're limited to one per month, you're allowed up to 4 interlibrary loan items at a time. So if you have a big list of books, once you turn one in, we can go ahead and order another one and keep that 4-book rotation going. Some limitations, just like the Zip Book program, it's a book we can't have in any of our libraries at any branch. Again, out for at least a year. Sometimes we can fudge this one, but most libraries aren't willing to lend out books that are brand new. So usually it's within a year is the good guideline. And it's only for print books. So no DVDs, audiobooks, anything like that. We can also get copies from periodicals. So if there's a journal article you're looking for or a magazine article that we don't have, we can contact outside libraries, and they'll usually make a copy for us, and we can give you the copy. So for the Interlibrary Loan Program, again, you would request an item at your local library, and we'll go through that in a second. We will then contact other libraries to see who has that item that you're looking for and arrange for a loan. And the contact library will then mail it directly to us. You can then come in and check out the book from us. It would show up on your account, so just like a normal library book. And then when you're done, you return it to us, and we put it back in the mail and send it to the original library. So for both of these programs, there's different ways where you can put in a request. You can go into any library branch or the bookmobile and fill out a form. Just talk to a library staff member and they can help you fill out that form. You can also give us a call and we'll do it over the phone. So we make it pretty easy. We also have a form available on our website. So our website is humlib.org. And if you click on the What We Do tab at the very top, it'll open up these options, and you'll see there under the reserve books and take requests, we have both Interlibrary Loan and zip books right there. Just and that toolbar is always available on our website, no matter what page you're on. And then with either one of those options, it'll take you to an online form. It'll go over the limitations. So just the double check that you've checked to make sure it's not in our collection, it's been out for a year, et cetera, et cetera. And then you just simply put in your name and your library card number and the information that we request. And then it gets sent off to one of our staff members who will then either go ahead and order it for you and let you know that it's been ordered, or if we have any questions, we'll contact you just to figure out what's going on and make sure we can get your order processed. So that's a quick little information about our interlibrary and zip book programs. They're both very popular. They're very exciting. Again, it's a great way to connect you with a book that we don't have. So if you are ever looking for a book and we don't seem to have it in the library, just talk to a staff member and we're going to do everything we can to get you the books you're looking for. As always, if you have any questions about this or anything else, feel free to give us a call at 269-1915, or you can email us at hcl@co.humboldt.ca.us. Thanks for joining us and hope you have a great day.